This is a special night for our home plate umpire, 64-year-old Joe West. He becomes, folks, just the third umpire in the history of this game to umpire 5,000 games. It's fitting he's behind the plate. Bruce Fleming and Bill Clem, the other two. And Bruce just retired a few years ago, and you were playing when Bruce was still working.
I love Joe West. I love Bruce Fleming. I always think that should be an easy play for Trevor. Now, we never tell the umpires how much we appreciate them as players. They are part of the fabric of the game.
Part of the fraternity.
They are part of the frat.
I mean, this is remarkable. His first game was in September of 1976 at 23. Became a full-time umpire 2 years later, but he was working games since 1976. So you all can do the math. 40-plus years as an umpire, and 21 World Series, 151 umpires, 55 Hall of Famers. I mean, that's amazing stuff. And we looked up into the best of the research we could do. Joe has thrown out slightly more than 150 players, coaches, managers in his career. And I was kind of shocked by that. That's about 4 a year, right?
You thought there'd be more?
I thought
less?
there'd be more. He got Buddy once.
He did get Buddy.